No, again, I have to give credit to my players. No, they really came out this game. It's hard. It's hard after a really frustrating or disappointing loss last Friday, and then we came out aggressive defensively in today's game. Give credit talaga to my players. They responded really well dun sa challenge na binigay ko sa kanila. I told them that this game will be a defensive game. Knowing Coach Tim and knowing Barangay Ginebra, they really take pride on their defense. No, so I told them that we're gonna bleed each points, but defensively we have to make them work also. No, we have to be assertive also, or more so, on our defense against their execution, because I know that Ginebra is really good at executing their offense. No, so we really take pride on our defense in today's game. Yes, we had a very okay offensive night. You know, this guy is shooting threes also. So I mean, offensively, I just told them every time we stop, just be confident. Nilang instead of turning the ball over. No? So just shoot the ball. No, at least may chance. Diba? So but I really like what I saw with the whole team is really the defensive effort. No, playing Ginebra is not easy. Told them it's always hard to play Ginebra.
And now we open the floor for friends from the press.
Coach Baby, you also limited RJ to only 6 points. Ano lang yung plano niyo sa kanya, especially after the game na he scored this conference side?
Well, kung meron man nakakilala kay RJ siguro dun sa kanina sa court, sa amin sa team, I think ako siguro yun. So, I really have to, I mean, RJ is a superstar. No, we cannot just play him straight, or we just have to play him normal. You know, we treat him like an import. You know, I have so much respect on RJ. I know him. So, yun yung naging plano namin. Again, I have to go back to all the players who guarded, the whole team actually. You know, we were very disciplined with our game plan. No? So, yun naman yung maganda sa game namin today.
Senior, congratulations. Big win for you guys. The 24-9 said that you learned yet upon first side, effect on the first half was very consistent effort for you to score as early as possible.
No conscious effort. First of all glory to God. My shots are falling tonight, but we always say, as long as the ball is moving, someone's going to get open shots. Tonight it was me, and thanks be to God that I made them. But no conscious effort. Conscious effort is on defense.
How did you guys try to make a quick turnaround after that heartbreaking loss against Rangers last Friday?
We didn't have a choice. We lost that one and not in a good way. So we needed this one. We put ourselves in this position, and I'm just happy that we were able to come out and do what we were supposed to do and what we needed to do. So hopefully we can take this on to these remaining couple of games before the break and head into the break in a better position than we are now.
How big is this win considering that the standings in your group is quite tight since any result can fix the outcome of the standings?
Yeah, like I said, we needed it, especially over Ginebra, and I think that puts us tied, and so it puts us over them. But we need these. We need these next ones. Everyone counts right now for us. We've dropped a few, so we can't really take anyone lightly. We have to treat every game like it's a must-win. So yeah.
Coach, three-win tayo yung Ginebra and Zach Walker for third win at 2-3. Go to the second round, Coach. Ano ang bagay yung pupunan talaga sa standings?
Especially sa our group, no? Sobrang yung group namin, very unpredictable yung group namin. We have to find ways how to win every game, especially this coming second round. Plus, the coming 9 weeks na break. No? Medyo yun. Kaya kailangan talaga mas maging prepared kami for that. No? But again, we're gonna take it one game at a time. We just have to do things na mga kailangan namin gawin every game. Let's say for example, we're gonna play Friday against Meralco. I think the good thing is we have 1 week of preparation, and then we can well, definitely Meralco will bounce back against us. Because we beat them the first time around. Ito yung mahirap dito sa ano na to, sa system dito sa format na to. No, makakabalik, may chance talagang makabalik eh. So, diba, it's hard to beat, like in the PBA, just like what I said a while ago sa pregame. It's hard to beat teams now in the PBA. Eh, what more kung twice mo ba tatalunin? So, masyadong mahirap. But, we have to be ready. And I know my players will be ready. No, will be ready for this week.
And that sums up our post-game
Okay.
press conference.
Thank you.
And congratulations once again, Coach L.A.
Thank you.
Zay, and Kuya Hotchkiss.
Happy